Missile, the peregrine falcon. She's got eyes so sharp, she can pick out prey from a mile away. Just the size of a crow, speed is her weapon. With her wings tucked in, she dives at up to 240 miles per hour. A kill in midair. Her chicks beg constantly for food. But she is torn between feeding hungry mouths and guarding the nest. She views anything passing by as a threat. 5 times her body weight, the brown pelicans ignore her warnings. A dangerous mistake. Yank on the face, and she throws the hapless pelican off balance. One down, she circles back for the rest. A skillful bill flick takes care of another one. But while she's going after the pelicans, a real threat is making its way toward the nest. A 5-foot-long gopher snake. Skillful climbers, they hunt up and down these sandstone cliffs. And they can easily kill an unprotected falcon chick. But nothing escapes her eye. A single strike with her claws is all it takes. Nothing comes between this mother and her brood.